Hello and welcome back. Hope you all are safe and doing good. Today I received a message for commission work that he says paint a painting for me of my dog. So I received this image. Then I decided to paint this dog with acrylic colors. So let's begin our video. First I give rough outline to hardboard and then I start coloring with brown, black and yellow as you can see in video. I cover whole part of dog with these colors. Then I use grey color and black color for nose and mouth area. Then do outline with black color for eyes. Then I use masking tape for outline of hardboard and butter paper for dog. As you can see in video, I cover dog with masking tape. Here I use different colors to give abstract background. But this theme is not good looking for background of dog. Here dog is not looking good in this background, so I decided to change the background. First I highlight the part of dog. After that, I start making hairs on dog. Here I use pink for tongue and brown for shadow. And then I changed background with blue and white. As you can see, the dog is looking very good in this background. Again I am highlighting hairs with light and dark brown color. For eyes, I use white and black color, and for background, I draw some flowers and color it. And this is the final result of our dog. Our dog is ready. After framing, the painting looks beautiful. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. This is my commission work. DM me if you want to give me commission work to paint your pictures. If you like this video, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you all like it. Thank you.